All right, guys, you want to go fishing in the Halifax Harbor, right? I heard you're catching lots of fish. We even brought Mom because it's her birthday. We are going to go fishing for something in the Atlantic Ocean. Apparently they're catching a lot of fish, so obviously we're going to catch a lot too because we're really good. Rowan, he needs a little practice, but no, okay. Well, let's go. I'm reeling in. There you go. Oh. So I'm going to take that one off the hook. Here, Rowan, you better film that. You got, oh, sure.
Come on, Rowan.
Yeah. How you doing, Reagan?
Trying hard.
Good job, buddy. We'll catch you one.
I caught.
Hey, Rowan. So we're at Rowan 2, Dad 1.
Why did you get that?
I don't know, bud. Oh!
Well, that's a big boy. That's a really big boy. That's a big boy.
Oh my.
That's a big boy. That's a big one.
I can help you with that.
Sure.
Oh, he's a good size walleye. Holy.
Super good. Whoop. You got a mackerel, bud. Don't touch it.
Yeah.
Look at the color on him. He's a very nice fish.
Right? They're great on the barbecue, though.
Are they really? What's that, buddy? Look at Reagan got one.
Reagan got one.
Okay, bud. Let's reel it in. Okay, that's good. You want to hold the camera? Oh, wow.
There you go.
Way to go, Mom. Okay, Mom.
That's a mackerel.
Yeah. Bring it over.
Look at that. Bring him in.
Look at Rowan. Oh, my God.
Yeah? Or no?
Here you go, hon.
Yeah.
You want to hold? You want to touch it? Want to kiss it?
Nope,
Oh,
I'm good.
Okay.
Hey, you'd be honorary newfie.
Yeah?
You kiss it, kissing the cod.
Okay, here, Reagan, want to hold my camera? That's a nice fish, buddy.
Perfect, right there.
Here you go.
Mom,
Hey, Mom.
Mom, after you, I'm doing it.
Here you go. Got it.
No?
Get past those little teeth.
It's okay.
Why? Mom, that's
Oh, geez. Wow. Natalie, girl. What? That's insane. Dude, you want to move around?
That took some muscle.
That's pretty. He's new. He's not good.
Where are you aiming at, bud? What are you gonna fire at? Me?
No, go.
Oh yeah. We're taking a tour of the oh, here I am. I was from the boat. I forgot my hat was backwards. We're taking a tour of the HMCS Sackville. It's an old Canadian naval boat, and it's pretty cool. Look at, buddy. Is that the engine?
Who's that?
It's a mannequin.
They were sleeping here?
Yeah.
Well, look at that guy's face.
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
What happened to him?
There'd be 50 people sleeping up here.
50 in here. You imagine that? If you want to see more videos like this one, I'm going to leave a couple over here for you to check out. And after that, you're going to have to wait, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.